Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with my Saurian army this week. This is one of the Geckos by One Page Rules. As another rank and file mini, it's going to be a quick and simple paint job. But then saying that, I have chose orange as the main colour. To get that base layer started, I use Mars Red. This is the most orange red I have, but still covers pretty well. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. For the dry brush over the scales, I use Sun Yellow. This is a much less precise sort of dry brush compared to what the Saurian Warrior was, as the scales are not as well defined on this one. To highlight up the flesh parts, I grabbed Orange Fire. I didn't realise this was going to come out quite so bright, but after a wash it's not too bad. Now to tie up the colours and tidy up the scales, the model gets a once over with the red tone. As with the warrior, I want those scales to pop a bit more, so I grabbed Sun Yellow and then another dry brush over them. This time being a lot more careful and trying my best to keep it neat and not get it all over the skin. Now to add a little colour with Escorpino Green for the feathers and eyes. For the base leather straps and spear handle, I use Dirt Splatter. You can mix it up and do the spear a different colour, but I want to keep it quick and easy, so the same colour made sense. To bring up the claws and teeth, they get done with skeleton bone. For all the metallic parts, I grabbed greedy gold. The spear tip looks like it would actually be stone, but having it gold helps tie it into the rest of the army that have gold weapons. Last of all, the mini gets a wash of light tone over everything other than the skin. And that will be it for the Gecko. Still not entirely sure if orange was the right choice for these guys. The gators may have been a better option as there's significantly less of them to paint. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord and share anything you have been working on. If you want to pick up some hobby supplies or just see some of the things that I use when I'm painting, there's some affiliate links down below. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.